Yo guys, if you want to learn how to do this, then stick around. So guys, yeah, this is called like a clear board. It's kind of like the whiteboard feature on Zoom, but it's with the actual video, so your students or your clients can see the notes and whatever is happening right in front of them. It's very useful and fun too, very creative way to, interact with your students in Zoom or the other side of Zoom. So I'm sure you get a very big surprise when you first do this, but today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So you're gonna need are a couple of things. So first, you need an iPad that supports the on-screen recording with QuickTime Player when you connect it with a Mac via the USB. Once you got the iPad or iPhone set up, then just open up QuickTime and get a screen recorder, or actually select your iOS device as your camera, and you should be able to see the screen of your iOS device. Go to any app that supports pen writing or finger drawing. If you don't have any apps, OneNote is free, but you also have Pages, which should work as well. I'm sure you'll find free apps anywhere in the App Store that lets you use your finger or your Apple Pencil if your device supports it. And actually it works best with an stylus if you can, but it's not mandatory. You could always use your fingers. Once you got the iPad or your iPhone set up, in my case I'm using the 12-inch iPad Pro, the 2018, so that gives me a lot of real estate to draw and write. Next thing you need is a Mac, so go ahead and download OBS. And if you don't know how to set up OBS to work as a virtual camera, then I'm gonna have to make a video for that. But in the meantime, I'm sure if you Google it, you're gonna learn how to do that. Very simple, very quick and easy. So all you gotta do is set your OBS to work as a virtual camera. And I'm gonna open it up here and show you guys what I got here. So right here on the red box is actually my camera. It's my USB HDMI capture card. On top of that, I have a window capture, and what I'm actually capturing right here is my QuickTime app, that is movie recording, my iPad screen. And then once you're over here, go to that window, capture window, go over to filters, and we're gonna add a chroma key. You see, because if you don't have this chroma key feature, everything is gonna be on the screen. As you see right now on my Zoom screen, you just see the whatever is on top here. So since my window capture is on top, that's what you're gonna see. If I put my video camera on top, so it kind of works like layers. So leave that on the top, go back to filters and turn on chroma key, and then you could select a color or handpick a color. In my case, I'm just using good old white, and the only con about using the white color is that black also gets affected, so you can't use black ink. So white and black ink is gone, but the good thing is all the other colors are available, whether it's green, blue, yellow, red, they all work. So that's why I prefer to just key out the white color and black, and that's it. You're all set. Couple things to keep in mind is that when you do Zoom, and if you have the mirroring setting on, that's gonna actually work against the OBS. So make sure your mirror my video is off and do the mirroring in OBS. And the way to do that is, all you gotta do is right click on both your video or your capturing devices and flip horizontally. That equals to mirroring. So do that for both the video. Go to right click video capture, go to transform, flip horizontal, and do that for all your video devices or screen that you're sharing. And then you start your virtual camera. Go ahead and hide it, Now you can't hide the actual QuickTime movie recording screen. If you were to hide it, it will stop the kind of like the recording feature, so it's not gonna show in OBS. So you need to leave your QuickTime Player app on, and that's it. Just play around with it. If you want to work on some grammar and whatnot, you know, it's a really quick way to just demonstrate what's happening here. You could get out of the way. If you have a plain background like I do, works excellent with that. So it's really cool. You could play Pictionary here. You know, it'll be fun for Zoom games and whatnot. Another thing actually to keep in mind that I actually forgot to mention is the cropping. If we go back to OBS and go to our window capture, you notice that I'm actually cropping out all the menus and all those good stuff. You know, I'm just cutting them off. You see that I could bring it down here, and if you hold down the control key and scroll up, you could actually crop the image. So I just cut off the top part of my screen. Anything I don't need is gone, cut off. And then you could just move the screen into its place. Make sure your sides are extended all the way there. That's it. You are all good to go, guys. So if you guys enjoy this quick tutorial on how to get not a wayboard but a clear screen in Zoom, hit a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash that like button, and leave your comments or any question you have down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.